Welcome to AtomVie Global Radiopharma, a global leader in the radiopharmaceutical industry, dedicated to transforming patients' lives with high-quality drugs for diagnosis and treatment of diseases. With over a decade of experience in clinical development, commercial production, and global distribution, AtomVie has established itself as a trusted partner to biotechnology and pharmaceutical clients. With a deep expertise in process and analytical method development, GMP manufacturing, quality control, quality assurance, regulatory and logistics, we cover all aspects of radiopharmaceutical drug development and commercialization. Our team ensures precision, efficiency, and compliance at every stage. Through a proven track record of over 50 successful collaborations, AtomVie delivers seamless execution, accelerating timelines, and mitigating commercialization risks. Our purpose-built, state-of-the-art 72,300 square foot facility expands our comprehensive services from development to production and distribution of radiotherapy products for various indications. Equipped with multiple production lines, a specialized development suite, and extensive quality control and microbiology labs, it supports diverse manufacturing needs from development through full-scale production. Our flexible infrastructure accommodates both clinical and commercial manufacturing, with the capability to handle a wide range of radioisotopes and precursor molecules. Strategically located near two international airports, Toronto Pearson International Airport and John C. Munro Hamilton International Airport, and the U.S. border, AtomVie's sophisticated supply chain ensures a secure, reliable, and timely global distribution. Leveraging an extensive partner network, we have successfully supported clinical programs in over 26 countries. We are also licensed to manage a variety of radioisotopes and meet the highest regulatory standards from Health Canada, FDA, EMA, and other global regulatory agencies. As we expand, our commitment to good manufacturing practices remains steadfast, ensuring the highest standards at every stage. From facility design and personal training, to material handling, documentation, and final product release. Whether you require commercial or clinical supply, process development and validation, regulatory support, or supply chain logistics, our expert team are here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring that product supply is reliable, secure, and available when and where needed. Reach out to explore how AtomVie can partner with you in shaping the future of radiopharmaceuticals and enhancing patient outcomes.